Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford Fusion, 2013 to 2016. Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2013 and 2014 Ford Fusion protects circuits for interior features like power seats, windows, audio system, and climate control. It uses low-current mini-fuses to safeguard sensitive electronic components. The fuse layout is organized and labeled for straightforward identification. This system ensures reliable operation and circuit protection. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2015 and 2016 Ford Fusion controls and protects circuits for interior electronics, such as the infotainment system, power outlets, lighting, and keyless entry. It primarily uses low amperage mini fuses for precision and safety. The layout is clearly labeled to assist with quick troubleshooting. This setup ensures stable operation of comfort and convenience features. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2013 and 2014 Ford Fusion supports high-power systems like the engine control module, cooling fans, fuel pump, and ABS. It contains a mix of high-amperage maxi fuses, mini fuses, and relays. The layout is designed for efficient power distribution and system protection. Each component is clearly labeled for easy maintenance and diagnostics. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2015 and 2016 Ford Fusion manages high-current circuits for critical systems such as the powertrain control module, electric power steering, cooling fans, and lighting. It includes a combination of mini and maxi fuses along with multiple relays. The layout is organized for efficient troubleshooting and component replacement. Each fuse and relay is clearly labeled for quick identification. Engine compartment fuse box. The bottom section of the engine compartment fuse box in the 2013 and 2014 Ford Fusion contains integrated high-current fuses for essential systems like the starter and alternator. It is designed for permanent, factory-installed protection and is not serviceable. The bottom section of the engine compartment fuse box in the 2015 and 2016 Ford Fusion houses non-serviceable high-current fuses for critical systems like the battery and starter circuits. It provides durable, built-in circuit protection. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.